Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Home Depot website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the web browser within which you have not logged out from your Home Depot account. Then in the address bar, type in homedepot.com and press enter. And now you will be taken into the official Home Depot website. Now you will see the Me icon at the top right corner since you are already logged in. So if you wish to log out, just click on this icon. And now you will see the sign out button at the very end. Go ahead and click on it. And now this will log you out from your Home Depot account right away within this browser. And you will once again see the login button at the top right, which means that you have been logged out. If you wish to log back in, you can click on this button and then click on sign in order to proceed forward with your credentials once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on Home Depot. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.